Today we are going to make a lecture on democracy. So first let me tell you that what is democracy means. Democracy is derived from a Greek word that is demo and cracy. Democracy is the collection of two Greek words. That means like democracy is combination of two words, demo and crazy. Demo means people and crazy means government. Democracy means government of people or government by people, government for the people. This is another example of another definition of democracy. It means that people government or the government of people. Democracy is a form of government in which rulers are elected by the peoples. These terms are coined by the father of history, that is Herodotus. Herodotus coined these two words, demo and crazy, and make a new word that is democracy. Democracy is a form of government in which supreme head of the government is prime minister, while the head of country is called the president. But all authorities are related to the prime minister. President is just an authority, is just a name of that profession. President can do nothing, but prime minister has full authorized person. There are different type of democracy like direct democracy and indirect democracy. Indirect democracy, first type of democracy is direct type democracy, has 2 points: participating democracy and deliberative democracy. Participating means in which people are participating and got what. Deliberative is also called the participative democracy in which people directly communicate to that government. While indirect democracy, people select their ruler by the third intermediary part. While direct democracy means direct government by people, direct selected a government by the people, and there is no third intermediary part. But indirect democracy means there is an interdisciplinary part that is play an important role for the people and the government to select. So this is the short explanation of that democracy. I hope you got clear your concept, so you are now be able to write a letter or note on democracy. And if you are interested in some other topics, please mention in comments, so we will try to provide a video on that topic in future. Thank you.